Okay, so the problem is alternate numbers. So, given the problem statement, there is an array A of size n with equal number of positive and negative elements. Without altering the relative order of positive and negative numbers, you must return an array of alternate positive and negative values. Note, start the array with a positive number. So, basically, we are given an array which consists of positive and negative numbers. We need to arrange this array in a manner that the first element is always positive, the second element is always negative, third element is always positive, and so on. Which means that positive elements occupy 0, 2, 4, and so on, that is even places, and odd numbers occupy negative numbers occupy odd places in an array which starts with index 0. All right, so let us consider the example which is given to us. Array which consists of 1, 2, minus 4, minus 5 and has a length of 4. So the first condition is that positive numbers should be at even places and negative numbers should be at odd places. So 1 is positive and it is already at a zeroth position, that is even position. Consider element 2 which is positive, but we need negative element now. So we need to consider minus 4, then 2 and then minus 5. We need not disturb the relative order of elements, which means that the way in which the elements are placed, they should be in the same order. If minus 5 4 occurs before minus 5, then in your answer minus 4 should always be before minus 5. So, how to approach this problem? It's a very easy question. You can consider creating a new array, an empty array, and we can have two pointers, positive and negative, where positive indicates the position of positive element and negative which indicates the position of negative elements. So, we're going to iterate through the array. If we encounter a positive element, we are going to place it at the positive variable, at the positive value, and if it is a negative element, we are going to place it at the negative, or which means odd position. All right, so let us solve this question. Let us write the code of this question. So consider n as length of your array. Then we are going to create two variables, positive which indicates the position of positive elements, starting position which is 0, negative is 1 which is the starting position of negative element. Now we can create another array, say answer, which is equal to 0 times the size of the original array. Now let's start iterating the array. For I in range n, if the element encountered is a positive element, we are going to place it at the positive position, at an even position. Okay, so it is equal to array of I, and positive needs to be incremented by 2 because the next position at which a positive element will be placed will be at plus 2 position. If the first positive element is at 0, the next positive element will be at second position, the next positive element will be at fourth position, so this value will be incremented by 2. Same code we need to write it for negative position. In that case, array of negative is equal to array of I, and in this case negative plus is equal to 2. And finally we need to return our answer. Let us try running it. Let us try to submit. Finally it is accepted. Thank you for watching.